Welcome everybody to my YouTube channel, Victor Bailey's YouTube channel, where I'll be teaching you guys on how to use the GIS software. Today we'll be dealing or treating on how we can create a topographic map. And we all know topographic map is one of the basic principles needed for geological field mapping. Because without a topographic map, you can't create a geologic map. So let's go to that now. So the first thing I'm going to do is to start up our QGIS software, and I've already done that. After starting up the QGIS software, you go to new project, and I've already done that. So the next thing we will be treating on how to impute our different layers. In our previous class, in my previous video, I imputed different layers using this menu toolbar layer, but I'll be teaching you on a different way on how to impute that. So go to this open data source manager, click on it. The first data I'm imputing is our ADM file, because we need the ADM file to search for what we are looking for. So I have to search for the ADM file, then it's under download. You search for it where you have the ADM file. Don't forget it's ADM2 SHP and ADM1 SHP. ADM1 SHP. Click on open, click on add, and this is it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to bring out the different states we have or regions we have under Nigeria, because I'm making use of Nigeria. Go to properties. Under properties, you go to label. Under label, single label, change this name 0 to name 1. Click on OK. Under Nigeria, I want to make use of River State because I intend forming a topographic map of River State, just a few places under it. Then I'm going to ADM2, right click on ADM2, open attribute table. Then I have to scroll down to where I have my River State. We have about 22 local governments under River State. So I'm going to click on all the 22 local governments we have under River State. So after doing that, you close the window, then you extract the whole place. Then you go to export, save selected feature as Rivers State. And this is it. Under it, then you go to zoom to layer. Okay. This if this is your first time watching my video, please don't forget to go to click on the subscribe button, like my videos, comment and share. As I'm looking at you, make sure you do that. Please don't forget. It's very necessary to boost my page and to create interesting and educative contents like this. So let us go back to what we are doing. So we can now continue from where we stop. So after doing this, we are going to, you know, select the local government we are working with. Then under item properties, under properties, go to label, single label, then change this name 0 to name 2, then click OK. These are the different villages we have. If you notice, Port Harcourt is not visible, so we have to zoom it. Click on this plus sign. This is zoom in, zoom out. Then you have to click on it. I think I've seen Port Harcourt. The next thing you're going to do is to click on this select feature button. This is the whole of Port Harcourt. Then right click, export the place we selected, then save it as Port Harcourt. Port Harcourt city. Click OK. I want to use a bright color for this so that when bringing in my other layers, I'll be seeing what I'm doing. Okay, then go to zoom to layer. So the next thing I'm going to bring in is our elevation, and we'll be making use of the spatial data file we got from the DIVA-GIS. But it's not must that you make use of that. Some people make use of DM file be gotten from other sites. Some people make use of plugins. You understand? So, but I'm making use of spatial data be gotten from DIVA-GIS. It's very easy and easy to use. Then you are going to bring it in the same way, but the elevation file is a raster file. Don't forget raster file are pictures. So we are going to bring it in, then you browse for it, go to download, scroll down to altitude because the name of the file is altitude. So before you go to this, make sure you have downloaded the nga altitude file from the DIVA-GIS. Click on open, select the VRT, altitude VRT or .vrt please. Then click on open. After that, click on add. You close the window and this is it now. So now after doing that, we have to uncheck ADM1, then go to Port Harcourt because we'll be making use of Port Harcourt, and this is it. And I want to change, extract this the contour or the topographic shapefile from this altitude. Then I'll go to raster under your menu bar, go to raster. Uh, From there, click on extraction. From there, click on contour, extracting the contour from this altitude file you have. Extraction, click on contour. And from research, previous research, the contour values we have around Port Harcourt area is very, very low. That's the elevation from sea level is very, very low. And most of them are below 25. You understand? So for us to at least get quite number of elevation value, we'll be needing to plot our profile after producing a geologic map. And I think I'm going to be making use of elevation interval of 1. It's at 10 now. So I'm going to reduce it to 1. This is it. You click run. This is it. Click run. So while the file is loading, we'll make use of the Microsoft Word. So these are the different towns I'm going to make use of. Not just town, we have some notable places like the government, Port Harcourt Government House, the Port Harcourt Airport, University of Port Harcourt, the Nigerian Navy Secondary School, and other places inside Port Harcourt. So after doing that, still loading, still at 52. So we have to wait for it to load. The reason why it's taking time to load is because the file we are making use of the is very small and it's covering a very large place. So if it's about something content interval of 50, by now we should have been done. But when making use of this software, you have to, you know, have it build some kind of patience in order for it to achieve your results. So I've completed it. You close the window and check this, and this is it. The different contour values we have, the contour lines we have now. And this contour line is very bright, and we don't need it to be bright. And we need to label it. First of all, we have to label it. Go to label, under label, go to no, from no label to single label. From single label, you change this field to elevation. To elevation, and the placing, you go to placement. If you can see the, I want the line, the contour value should be on top of the line, not above the line or below the line. I have to click on the line, then click on check this, then go to symbology. Under symbology, you can see the color. I prefer using brown or something, or things like this. So brown is okay. Click on OK, and this is it. To take a little bit, you can see the different contour value we have. So the next thing I'm going to bring in is our water bodies. Then go to vector, download, go to water, NGA water. Then click on water areas and SHP, water lines, SHP. Click on open. Then click on add. This is it. This is the water line. The water line, you have to change it to blue because water in map. When you see blue, a blue color, it's referred to as water. Change this to blue. You can see the contour values, contour lines are too bright, so I want it to be a bit. Go to color, under color, reduce the opacity. Okay, click on OK. So I've reduced the opacity because if the contour lines are too bright, when in, introducing other layers, you won't be able to, see what you are doing well. So the next thing I'm going to do is to bring in different our road, then the different villages we have. So let's bring in the different villages we have. Go to is under text delimited, you browse for the file. I saved it under document, QGis file, CS command delimited file. Port Harcourt village is the X field, is your longitude, and then the Y field is your latitude. Then the geometry CRS. CRS stands for coordinate reference system. We have different coordinate reference system, but the geometric reference system is WGS 84 and the CRS system is 4326. In our subsequent video, I will tell you what this coordinate reference system means and why we are going why the reason why we are using it. And don't forget, we can also change this coordinate reference system. You understand? Because we have various you can see it. We have various coordinate reference system. Yeah. So this is it. After doing that, you click on add. This is it. So I want this to be above this. So I have to label the different places I'm using. Go to properties. Under label, I prefer using black. So let us use this. Then reduce this to 3. Then label, change this no label to single label. Then under the value should be in town. Okay. Then click on OK or apply. And this is it. Sometimes the QGIS software tends to slow down while loading. So this is where we have our University of Port Harcourt, the DOB, Port Harcourt Government House, and different places. We have Navy School, Aboloma, and the rest of them. The next thing I'm going to do is to bring in our road. Road is a vector file, don't forget. Then go to document or download. I save it at download. Road, the road will be road SHP. Then click open. Then add it to the map, and this is it. Close the windows, and the road is not that visible. I want it to be a bit visible. On that road, go to properties, symbology, then scroll down a bit, then come to this place, scroll down, click on here, click OK. These are the different roads we have in Port Harcourt. Okay, this is it. So the next thing we're going to do is to edit our video, our map. That will be the next thing I'm going to do. So after imputing your road file, the next thing we're going to do is to position our map. But like I said, this ADM file, we're not making use of it. The reason why we imputed the ADM file is for us to know the exact place we are working with. So I'm going to uncheck this ADM file to get our um base map or topographic map proper. So I have to position it. Okay. Position it like this. Then zoom it a bit. Let me click on this. Okay. So the names of places is not that visible, so I need to put it on bold. For it to do that, you go to properties. Under properties, you go to symbology. Under symbology, you go to label. Under label, you go to text. Then change this regular to bold. Okay. You can see the different places I'm going to work with. So I don't like the way this contour lines are bright. For me to do that, I have to reduce the opacity. Go to symbology, then reduce it. Let's check 40. And this is it. So if you notice, this area we're working on uh, is a riverine area. So let us go to the next step now. So you click on project and new print layer.